Hi there, students. Cadre. Okay, so a cadre is a small group of people specially trained for a purpose. They're the core of a unit or the core of a group. I want to look at the pronunciation of this word because I think there are various different ways that this word is pronounced. To me, as an RP speaker, I'm going to use the word cadre. This is because it's directly related to the French word cadre, meaning a frame. Yeah. Although I've heard many people, British people, say cadre. Yeah, and I've heard quite a lot of Americans cadre or cadre as well, but cadre, to me cadre. Yeah, it's probably the poshest way of saying it as well. Okay, so a cadre, cadre. Yeah, all are possible. Okay, so let's go back to the definition now we've actually looked at the pronunciation. Okay, it's a small group of people, the core unit. They've been trained for a particular purpose. So we want to set up a special unit in the company dealing with IT problems. So first we want to create a cadre of people to create the core of the unit. Okay, so the cadre is the centre members, the activists. Yeah, you can also use this word to talk about a member of a group like this. Okay, so a cadre, a small group of people. They've been specially chosen for a specific purpose in a political party, in an organisation, particularly in the military. Yeah, they use this word quite often in the military. If you're going to set up a new unit, first you need the framework of staff who are going to organise the unit, and this is the cadre. Then to that you can add other people who do different things within it. But first of all, you need the cadre of people who are going to act in this. Okay, so effectively it's the skeleton group, the core group. Yeah, so I don't know, the cadre of the boardroom in this company are the people who make all the decisions and drive the company forward. Okay, so cadre. Yeah, that's my pronunciation, but you'll find this half a dozen different pronunciations for this word. So formality. I think this is probably an ever so slightly formal word. I think I'd probably give it something like 6.5 to 7. I think if you use it in an informal conversation, many people are not going to understand it. I would use the word core or something like that. So yeah, for semi-formal and formal writings, maybe for a business meeting you could use it as well. And then as to origin, well, as I said, it comes from cadre in French, meaning a frame, which itself comes from Latin quadrum, a square, from quator, meaning four, because it's got four different sides. Okay, so a cadre or cadre or cadre. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cadre.